Hello, and welcome to another exciting video on this channel. This very active channel which uploads so many videos consistently throughout the year. Today, or earlier this week, last week, marks the 1 year anniversary since I renovated my childhood home. Very exciting. Today I thought I'd make a quick video to share with you a little bit about the experience of renovating the house. I myself have never done a home renovation before, so a lot of this was new to me. So I just want to share some of the ups, the downs, the highs, the lows, what I've learned, what I think I did really well, and what I could have done better. Maybe. Who knows? Maybe. So today, just wanted to kind of walk you through a little bit about the journey, kind of like a before and after, but also the what happened between the before and the after. This is what our kitchen used to look like. This is my childhood home where I grew up. Kitchen was always very small. So this is just a little video I had from before. This is the entire kitchen. We have the fridge, the gas, a double sink, which is too big considering the size and space of the kitchen. And that is the full kitchen. Then we had this wall that connected it to a living room, which was always a mess because we never had enough storage nor storage space in the house. We were planning to do a kitchen renovation for a few years, and last year is when I finally, took initiative, started the plan, and take some action. So first, I started going to a few stores like Leroy Merlin, Bauhaus, which are some big stores here in Mallorca, Spain. And this was the original kitchen layout ideas that we had. The fridge would go here. We had some counter space, which is where the window is facing the exterior, a big sink and a cupboard, and then the gas here, and then have an American style kitchen island. So this was the first and original sketch. This is kind of how that looked. The layout did change a little bit. We moved the sink to face the window because we wanted some natural light. We wanted to create some space near the cooking area. And then here we had an integrated
microwave,
a designer from one of these shops. This is what they recommended. Me being new to it, I said, okay, all right, let me take it home with me. Let me look at it. Let me study it. Now, there are some fundamental issues here. The fridge is this huge tower that's overshadowing the sink area. So you have no space next to you while you're using the sink. And it's actually, you have this big tower hovering over you, casting a shadow. I instantly knew this design wasn't going to work. So I said, okay, we'll work on it. So I started the project, cleared up the living room, took out the sofa, down 5 flights of stairs, which was always a fun thing to do. Cleared up the entire kitchen and moved and pushed everything in the living room to one side, trying to make some space for the demolition. So this is all of our kitchen food and stuff that's been evacuated. I did this on a Saturday morning at 8 a.m. because it was the first day that we we're starting the project. So we got these guys in to start with the demolition works. They laid out a carpet, and just one guy, he started hammering the whole place down. Took out all the furniture, took out the wall, took out the door. He went at it. Boom, just with a hammer. That's it. And I think there was a drill at some point. But yeah, took down the entire kitchen. It was crazy. It was crazy seeing this kitchen, like from my childhood, from my whole life, suddenly just dismembered. And it's now just in a couple of plastic buckets. Amazing. Within day one, the whole kitchen was gone. All the furniture, the wall in between, all the demolition work. These guys were fast and they were aggressive. Maybe easily 20, 30, 40, 50 kilograms of rubble. Who knows? I didn't weigh it. Who knows? Lots of sacks. Meanwhile, that's happening. We start updating the original kitchen design. We got rid of the fridge. We moved the gas a little bit. Now the oven is separate. The gas is separate. But here you have 2 big drawers and a drawer above the oven. But do you see the issue with this design? There's no fridge. Where's the fridge? Where does the fridge go? We don't have a fridge. Who needs a fridge in a kitchen anyway? That's happening in the background. I'm dealing with that. Anyways, we're back to it. It's now been about a week and they've started digging up the floor tiles. Now, at this point, the guy told me that the water pipe for my flat runs through the kitchen floor. So I asked him if he could please update and, add some new pipes so we have new water system and new drainage. So he's like, yeah, cool, I'll do that. But just so you know, the same water goes to your bathroom. So yeah, you'll have new pipes here, but your bathroom will still be the same with old pipes. Now I thought, wow, we have been speaking about renovating the bathroom as well, but that was for like a later date in the future. But now that we are replacing the water pipes, what if we also did a bathroom project? The house is a mess. Everything is chaos. Might as well renovate the bathroom as well. Within 3 days, 2 or 3 people come out, give me a quote, eventually chose the best one. And little do you know, within 3 days, I've now started a bathroom renovation as well. Kitchen renovation, bathroom renovation, easy stuff. So at this point, he's removing all the old tiles and he's leveling out the walls. This is now the new kitchen design. Remove the island. Although it was a great idea, it was taking up way too much space. And once again, it was closing up the kitchen. In this design, we also had quite a big, generous sink. And my plan was to place the dishwasher here. Allows you to open the dishwasher whilst you're still standing in front of the sink as well. Back to the renovation. They're now putting mortar on the wall, new water pipes on the floor, and he's begun adding the new tiles. Meanwhile, this is going on. There's new water pipes on the floor. We've now started the bathroom renovation. Moved the entire bathtub. These are the new water pipes coming from the kitchen into the bathroom now. So kitchen renovation is 60% done. Bathroom renovation is at step one, demolition. I do miss our old tiles. They were beautiful. We removed the bathtub, new water pipes, back to the kitchen. New tiles, nice and shiny. New kitchen, nice and shiny. The rest of the living room, yeah, not so nice and shiny. So this is me kind of just awing at the kitchen and the layout, trying to plan, where the light fixtures will go. We also had to update the fuse box. This is first occasion of getting lights in the kitchen, which was very exciting. I chose this little light piece, which later on I ended up removing. Thought it would look good. It it didn't look that good. So all of this was during October, November. So obviously I took advantage of the Black Friday sales and got myself a bunch of smart lights at a bargain price. Back to the bathroom. Bathroom is now a complete, yeah, it looks like this. This is what it is. Empty bathroom. We ordered a big truck to get all of these sacks of rubble from the kitchen and the bathroom. Slowly, we begun with making progress with the bathroom. This is Daniel. He was the guy doing the bathroom. I thought this was like a very sexy moment where he's cutting up some metal. Meanwhile, I had two of my friends, Kyo and Sergi, help me sanding the home door. So this is the main door of the house whilst we were doing all the other bathroom, kitchen stuff. So this is us with a sander, just trying to get rid of the old, dirty door and trying to give it a new look. Meanwhile, back to the bathroom, we're pretty much getting there. Floor tiles have been installed. The new wall tiles are in. I chose these half moon crescent tiles for the wall. I was doing most of the purchasing, so I went to buy this bathroom sink and unit, and then the toilet, washing machine we had it from before, and then a few other things. And boom, brand new bathroom. We had smart lights here as well, integrated with the same ecosystem in the house, which was Philips Wiz. And very happy. We had a standing shower. I chose a bigger shower than the standard size because I wanted to, be comfy, shower well. These tiles work really well, the way they reflect off the lights. And we're all really happy. At this point now, the living room's clear. We're waiting for the new kitchen to arrive so we can install it. So at this point, we've also painted this whole wall. This is the new kitchen arriving. Lots of stuff. Then the living room was now full again. So during Black Friday, I bought the sink, the dishwasher, the gas hob. Also got an osmosis filter for filtered water. Then we have Amazon packages coming in. New kitchen has arrived. So this is all the bottom units, the base. We got a Bosch oven. Then this is the top units as well. These doors were really hard to find because they were out of stock. As soon as they came in stock, I bought them. I went there and I got it. These cupboards had hinges that opened sideways, and I wanted hinges that open upwards. So I actually had to go back, get those hinges changed. If you open sideways, you're always going to have a door to your left, to your right. Who wants that? So there's a lot of little details that I mapped out, imagining myself standing in the kitchen, using all the appliances, opening all the doors, and I imagine what's the most convenient, comfortable, and logical thing to have. Smart sinks. I tried to order one of these on AliExpress or somewhere, and it told me it would take 2 months to arrive. I do not have 2 months to wait. So I essentially built a smart sink out of a normal sink and other accessories. So one by one, I ordered these nozzles from Amazon, AliExpress, and some other places. And also this vegetable tray that slides across the sink so you can wash anything and use it as drying rack as well. Just made some holes in the countertop and in the stainless steel sink from Tekka that we installed. These fairy liquid dispensers, soap dispensers, osmosis water dispenser. Took some measurements. What size holes do we need? What's the position? This was a fun moment. We got a new kitchen that's pretty much almost ready to stock up with things. And we had all the glasses from the old kitchen, and then we also have like a couple of sets and collections of glasses that we had in storage. So we took them all out, and this was a therapeutic for me because we got a chance to discard all of these excessive glasses that we've accumulated from life. Here are these guys with the countertop. They're trying to see how to bring it in, how to fit it, and then wow! On this day, I was so excited, so happy. because you can actually see the kitchen. You could see the kitchen is becoming a real kitchen. These were the holes that I mentioned to you for the osmosis and the soap dispenser. We've now installed the gas hob. We installed the sink, the dishwasher. Now we're just not touching anything, so we're laying all the glue and silicone set. The next step for me was installing this LED strip, which is also a smart light that's connected to the same ecosystem. I'm a little fancy, what can I say? Now we have lights, we have the kitchen, we have a main hose, fairy liquid dispenser, soap dispenser, osmosis water dispenser. And this right here is a cup washer, like you see in bars. Now at this point, kitchen, almost done, pretty much almost done. But guess what? The living room now, yeah, I've taken on a new project to do the living room as well. And this was fun. We had cables, satellite cables, internet cables, phone cables running all across the ceiling edge, which were always ugly. Like I always saw them and I was always like, this is hideous. It shouldn't be like this. So one by one, had to remove each nail that was holding on all of these different cables intact. I've cleared up the living room wall, sealed the wall, let them dry, sand it down, and then boom, painted this. This was another fun day of painting. Also painted this side of the wall, and then this shelf was originally in the living room here above the sofa. So now I moved it here, which is my workspace. So now it's sitting above me. Brand new fridge for the brand new kitchen. Very exciting. Like the old fridge was great, it worked great, but I just looked out of date. And to be honest, the fridge designs have improved. This is much more spacious, and I personally really like this fridge. The opening, the feeling. Yeah, that was great. We had all those cables hanging around, dangling around, and I got these little plastic canals to get all the wiring gone through here. Connects to the power socket, and then on the other side we have all the internet cables. Nice and neat cable management. This video is and was still is longer than I intended to be. There was a lot to share. Half of the people watching probably haven't made it this far, but for those of you that have, thanks so much for watching. I'm glad I was able to share some of my experience renovating the house. Yeah, renovation. It's been fun. I enjoyed it. It was stressful, very stressful. And but I'm happy celebrating the 1 year anniversary of a brand new kitchen, brand new bathroom, brand new home, essentially. Personally, I think this was an upgrade that was long overdue. Very happy with the outcome. Not that many regrets, a couple of regrets. The whole process could have been much smoother if there weren't so many changes. But overall, what an experience. What an experience. Here I am today, still using the kitchen and enjoying it. And I'll try including a little before and after video now, but thanks so much for watching. Hope this video was somewhat insightful, informative, entertaining, or just, a video, technically. Like and subscribe for more content about anything maybe or maybe not related to cooking. And see you on the next one, guys. Peace.